In this problem, we want to find the equation of the tangent line to the function f of x equals 3x squared plus 8x minus 2 at the point where x equals negative 2. Okay, so we need to find the derivative in order to find the slope of the tangent line. So using the power rule, we'll bring this 2 down out front and multiply it times that 3 to get 6x to the first power when we reduce that power by 1. Then the derivative of a linear term, positive 8x, is the slope, positive 8, and the derivative of negative 2 is 0. So that's my general derivative. But what we want is the slope of the tangent line at negative 2. So I'm going to plug in negative 2 for x to get negative 12 plus 8, which would be negative 4. Okay, so that is the slope of my tangent line. And I know that the line is going to touch this graph where x is negative 2. But in order to find the equation of the tangent line, we also need the y value at negative 2. So we need f of negative 2 as well. So I'm going to plug in negative 2 into this function to get 3 times negative 2 squared would be 4. Plus 8 times negative 2 would be minus 16. And then we have this minus 2. So 12 minus 16 is negative 4. Minus 2 is negative 6. Okay, so the point negative 2 comma negative 6 is on the function f of x. And the line that we're finding the equation of is going to touch it right at that point. And it has the slope negative 4. So I would go with point slope form. Y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. You can use y equals mx plus b, but if we use this form, we can plug the point, negative 2 and 6, straight in, because it's y minus, that's your x1, y1, so that's negative 6 is equal to the slope, which is negative 4, times x minus negative 2. Okay, so that's plugging in this point for x1, y1, and m equals negative 4 right there. Then simplifying, we'll have y plus 6 equals negative 4 times x plus 2. Now, depending on the situation, you may be able to answer like that. Sometimes you have to solve for y and put it in y equals mx plus b form, depending on just the situation and what you're asked for.